grass is taken out.
Oh, you take out the grass, you put this plastic.
Yeah, plastic.
So what is the reason to put this plastic?
This one?
Yeah, why you put the plastic? Why you put the plastic?
Okay. Grass.
When you put the plastic, the grass will not grow again.
No, come again.
Oh, but
so after come, start for like this.
You remain there
inside for grass,
and then you die.
Yeah, it's die.
Oh, okay. Oh, so when you remove the grass, you have to put that plastic first.
Yeah, the plastic to cover that is not gonna grow the what?
The grass.
The grass. 014.
That's why later on you will not see some grass coming here.
Yeah.
I know.
Yeah.
No grass.
You see, I even learn.
Yeah. If you can work even 50 hours, we're gonna work a lot. Because me, I got experience 19 years more experience building. I did the plan.
19 years.
19 years more experience. I did the plan for building. Yeah.
So you know how to build also.
Yeah, I'm doing building. I'm doing roofing. I'm doing ceiling. I'm doing paving. I'm doing tiling. I'm doing run light. I'm a good painter.
You also do good painting.
Yeah, design any plastering. I'm fine. I building also stones.
So call your number is again 0
64 014 5891.
Oh, okay. And your name is
Abdullah.
Abdullah.
Yeah.
You're from Malawi.
Yeah.
Abdullah. It's good to know people, you know. But I like this one.
All right.
Good morning, guys. You know, I get to realize that as a self-employed person, you really need to apply a lot of discipline. Whatever you are doing, you really need to apply discipline. This discipline is actually the key of success. Wow, it's nice, eh? What you are doing is nice.
Nice.
Wow.
It's nice enough.
It's very nice.
Yeah, for sure.
Wow. And then you just take out the grass and put this. Guys, tell me, between this and the grass, which one is better? Between this one and the grass.
Yeah, this one is better, yeah.
You put the cement and you put the stone.
Yeah.
You just put it there like this.
Like this.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. After dry, stone is here.
And the stone will remain.
Yeah.
And it will not come out again.
Not to come out.
Whoa.
Sure.
But it takes time, eh?
Yeah.
But how do you maintain it? How do you maintain it? Because now I think it's very difficult to clean it.
This one?
No, we already clean it. It's designed that we got it from Naden.
Oh.
Yeah.
It costs how much you do like this?
It depends how this starts. That the job, yeah, we charge it. Yeah.
Can be how much?
You can take my number. You give me the job. You can take my number. After that,
can you write it down?
Yeah, I can.
Yeah. This one, yeah. And where do you get this stone?
This one we get it there after Melville. You just take Melville to go Melville. After Melville, after Graveyard.
Do you buy or?
We buy it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. You buy
in the bag, like this, in the plastic.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. It's not expensive.
Not so much expensive. Last year it was how much? How much was this year? 55 for the big.
Oh, 65.
Yeah, 65 or 35.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So you just put cement, you remove the grass,
Yeah,
you put the cement,
move grass, and make straight,
Yeah.
straight.
And then now we can use this one.
Plastic.
I like it actually.
Yeah. Put
really-
plastic.
I really
and
like it.
Yeah.
Because yeah, it's also cement. I like it. It's very nice.
This one is like nice. No, come again.
The grass. All the time you are cutting grass and cutting grass. Guys, you know, if you are new here, please do subscribe, like and share the video. Welcome to Fokou Media. When you are a handyman and you know how to use your hand, believe me, you always have something to eat. So don't sit at home. They're saying that you don't have a job. Go and learn something. Go and learn any type of skill. Believe me, if you have a skill, you're going to help you. Look at this truck. This truck come and deliver some sand, some ballast, and is a handyman who's gonna be using this ballast to build or to do some rectification. So all the time people need it. You can see here, and so all the time people need this thing. How's it? Yeah, so you always see some construction going on like that. So guys, if you're a technician here, please keep learning, keep increase your skill of doing things. Okay, learn something, learn a trade, you know, learn a skill. And when you get a skill, you're actually going to reduce your burden. You know, when you know how to use your hand and make money, like this guy, you know, I actually like what they are doing, you know, and then I even feel to do the same thing. You see the way they remove some grass in that pavement, and they put stone. They use they remove the grass. They put a plastic to stop the grass growing. They put cement and sand, you know. Now they use some stone like decoration, and then it looked very nice. I actually like what they're doing there. Guys, if you are new here, please do subscribe to the channel. Yeah, in Johannesburg today it's very cold. It's very, very cold today. If you are new here, please do subscribe. How are you? All right.